Welcome back. Today we'll be covering LeetCode problem 83, remove duplicates from sorted list. We have a little description right here, given the head of a sorted linked list, delete all duplicates such that each element appears only once. And we must return the linked list sorted as well. We have this diagram just so we can know what's going on, where the linked list is 1, 1, 2, we should return 1, 2. We have our second diagram, for example, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. We see the illustration should become 1, 2, 3. I'm going to reset this to default. And we'll begin writing our code. Now, I think it's been about 2 months since I've done a linked list question. I've been busy. Anyway, we have our simplest case, and that is if head is equal to null pointer, which simply means the linked list is empty. What do we do in that case? We'll just return our linked list. If not, we'll carry on with this. We'll create a new node. By the way, here is the definition for the list node up here. List node, and we can call it anything we want. I will call mine new list. I will initialize it to the first value of the old list. I'll then create 3 more list nodes. List node, you can call it anything. I'll just call mine current. We will set this to new node. So basically, current points to the same list as new list. Why don't I call it new node? New list, my mistake. New list. Then create 2 more list nodes. List node, let's call it something. I'll call mine pre, and I will set this to point to the same node, same linked list as head. I'll then create another node, list node. And I will use a ternary operator. Let's call it post. And pre not equal to null pointer. Just basically, pre must not be initialized to an empty list. Here is how you read this. The variable post will be set to pre-next or null pointer depending on this condition. So if this condition is true, it will be set to pre-next. If this condition is false, it will be set to null pointer. You will then enter a while loop, and this is while pre is not equal to null pointer. We will do the following. If post is not equal to null pointer, because we obviously don't want to work with an empty node, and pre, the value pointed to by pre is not equal to the value pointed to by post, because we only want unique values. We will then go into our if conditional and create a new node. Let's call it new node. It'll be set to, using dynamic memory, create a new node, and it will be the value pointed to by post. We'll then say current is equal, current points to new node. And then once we've done this, we will just say current is equal to new node. This is how we advance current to basically always be the last node. Make sure I got that right. And then I will say pre is equal to post, and post is equal to, I'll use ternary operator again. Post is not equal to null pointer. You ask question, post will advance post by 1 node. If not, we'll keep post as post. And when we're done here, we will just return new list. Let me just make sure everything here is correct while I in my while? Am I in my if? Everything looks good. Let me actually indent this because that looks kind of weird. Okay, that looks much better. Okay, run. Here we go, and if we do submit, hey, we're done. Now for my submissions, my first submission was a wrong answer because guys, actually show the input. Yeah, okay, right here. I initially had pre set to one node after head. That was the only issue. But yep, anyway, that's how you can use this little algorithm to delete the duplicates in a linked list. If I had more time, I would have tried to sort it in place instead of creating a new list, but that's for another day.